Today we are discussing about the passport photo for applying DV lottery. This is how it should look like. That is the key topic of today's video. Welcome to today's video. My name is Douglas Como, and today we are talking about DV photo, the green card photo, and the requirements which are needed for you to have a winning photo. Welcome. Some people have been asking me, which people do you recommend to take as photo? Because my viewership is mostly in Kenya. So people in Kenya sometimes ask me, where can we take a good photo? Personally, my photo was taken by Jack Tech. He's my friend. And it's not just about the photo. This is DV lottery. It's good to understand that this is lottery. Yeah, it's just lottery. It's Bahati Nasibu. Yeah, so the guy who took my photo, his name is Jack. His phone number is 0721 669 375. It is on the screen. But there's a guy who does photos around the country. He organizes groups. He comes where you guys are. If you're in Mombasa, you guys can select a day. You talk to him. This is his phone number. See it here, 0721 352 613. You can talk to him and he's going to take your photos. If you guys are in Kisii, organize yourself by talking to him through that number. He's going to tell you the day he will be there. If you're in Mombasa, he's going to tell you the day he will be there. Those in Meru, he's going to tell you the day he will be there. Talk to him, especially now when the schools are still closed before the kids go back to school. Organize with him so that you can take your kids' photos and you save them. When you're applying for DV, it is very important that you have your kids' photos. It is very, very important. These are the requirements to take that photo. The photo must be a color photo. It should be taken in the last 6 months, and you use a clear image of your face. Do not change your photo using computer software, phone apps, or filters, or artificial intelligence. So those people take good photos. Directly face the camera without tilting your head, and take off your eyeglasses for your photo. Use a white or off-white background without shadows, texture, or lines. Those requirements of the DV photo, those details, you find them on travel.gov website on the photo requirement. Yes, and it is very important to make sure that you take your photo, if possible, at a good photo studio where they take professional photos. See, like this guy here has some lightings, and that way he can take good photos. Both Jack and Joseph, they take photos in a studio. Some people want to take their photo using their phone. Make sure that you take your photo on a white background or off-white background. You can talk to Jack Tech or to Joseph. Can text them or WhatsApp them, and you tell them your photo, how it will look like, and then they are going to help you from there. If you want to process DV in Kenya and you don't understand those things, there's a lady who understands the process. Her name is Auma. This is her phone number. You see, 0741 833 522. This is her phone number right here. You can talk to her. Yeah, if you want to get assisted maybe in that. I used to work with her when I had a cyber cafe. That is why I'm recommending her, because in Kenya people use cyber cafes, and that's where I come from. And if there's a way someone can help you, there you can get assisted. She can give you a little advice on that. Yes. So another thing about DV photos is that, and I repeat this, they should be on a white background, and make sure that your kids' photos are there. Those who have kids, make sure that you include your kids' photos. Some people apply DV lottery without their kid photos, and sometimes it bring issues. Just include your kids. And if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel to continue receiving more and more about DV lottery and inspiring immigrant stories, because this is what I like doing at my free time, inspiring you with DV stories and African immigrant stories. Yes, we continue with our videos. We're still talking about photo requirements, and basically I've talked about that. This is the photo that I used to apply for DV lottery. Just look at how it is. I did not even shave. Look like this. Yeah, that's why we say this is DV lottery. It's just by the grace of God. I think I look the same. Do I look the same? Yeah. Yes, this is the photo that I used to apply for DV lottery. It was size 2x2. Look at the size of the head. Yeah, the size of the head should be like that much. Yeah, the head should be around that size. Yeah, so I think the DV photo should look something close to that. Make sure as you look for your photo, you have something close to that, and make sure that you save your photo on your email, flash drive, and if you want to save your photo on WhatsApp, only save it as a document. Are we together? If you want to save your photo on WhatsApp, only save it as a document. Why? WhatsApp compresses photos. It reduces the resolution such that if you want to apply, you're not going to meet the required resolution. Most of the time, they like having a photo which is which has a resolution of 300 pixels. 300 pixelation, but that is per square. Their square is 300 pixels. That is the resolution of the photo. See, I heard Joseph say that Nikon cameras, they have very good DPI. You'll know more about photos. Some people use Canon, others use different fonts, and they still win because this is DV lottery. Anybody can win. Yeah, so I really want to emphasize on this point. Kids are still at home. Take your kids' photos before they go back to school and save them, either on your email, on the flash drive, or on WhatsApp as a document. It's not good to apply without your kids or without your spouse. You have time. Take your photo now. Are we together? Are we together? Take your photo now. And please remember to subscribe to this channel. I just want to emphasize on that because I want you to continue learning more about the DV process and African immigrant stories. Until next time, I want to wish you all the very best. But before I leave, there are some frequently asked questions. Can I use my phone to take photos? Yes or no? It depends with the kind of a phone. Some old phones have low resolution. Some newer phones have better resolution. Make sure you take your photo on a white background. Can I crop my photo? Yes. The recommended size is 600 by 600 pixels or 2 inches by 2 inches. So make sure that your photo is the correct one. See? Now, this is the end of this video. And these are the numbers of the people you can talk to in Kenya. There are many other places, but people who are asking for recommendations, maybe you can talk with these people. Jack Tech, talk to Auma about DV application, talk to someone like Joseph to take photos near you and maybe to look into your photo. That is for the DV community in Kenya, where I came from. Until next time, see you in the next video as we continue to learn more about the DV process. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you.